Hello guys, welcome back. Today we'll be looking at how you can make money from crypto trading. Okay? How you can turn your little USDT to a huge amount. How you can find a few coins you can be leveraging on. So before I dive into this, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, do what to subscribe, like our videos, and also share our videos so a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. Let's dive into that. I'm using Bybit as a case study. A lot of you know that Bybit is my favorite. I love running my activities all over on Bybit. So what you just need to do? What you just need to do is very simple. Come into Bybit. If you come into Bybit, you're going to go into navigate yourself. You will navigate yourself to gainers first. If you go to gainers, you will see a lot of coins that have been doing well in the past 24 hours or more. And look for a suitable or perfect one to dive in and cash out a profit. Go to gainers. If you go to gainers, you can see SCRT. SCRT has been doing well. It has recorded a positive, which is plus of over 90%. Okay, in the past 24 hours. So if you look at this place carefully, you can see the current price of it here. You can see the trading pairs, which is the name, the identity of the coin that is being traded. The volume is here, and the 24 hours turnover is here. I think when you bought this coin, before this positive, you would have made a lot of profit. Okay, but let's see, can we still make something from it? And how can we make something from it? And when is the right time for you, or where you are to dive in? Okay, so pay attention carefully so that we can look into this and see how we can make profit from it. Okay, let's click on this. If you click on this, you will see how it has been doing. Its ups and down has been clear. It has taken a very high move to up to 0.05, which is here. Okay, where does it move from? It has already made a ×2 of its volume. It moved from 0.2 to 0.5. It has almost triple its value. Okay, which is, if you had traded this with like 50 USD, by now it will be 140 or 50, almost triple your money. Okay, so coins like this, you will look from the back how it has been doing. You can see each time it declines, it moves higher than its previous volume. It was first at it was at high of 0.23, then it declined to 0.2. How many removed? It dropped 2 cents. And from here, it took off from this 0.2 and returned back to this 0.3 again, which was a irrational move. And from there again, it dropped to 0.2 here, and it took a high to 0.5. That was a very huge move. If you want to dive in something of this nature now, you can dive in from here, because it has already stepped down to 2. It is the right time for this coin to pump, and it's already making its way to pump. So what do we need to do? If you can dive into this now, you can buy, but be very cautious. Do not be greedy. Each time you see profit, take it and let the rest be. Okay, if you take it, each time you see profit, take it and wait for another opportunity, because this is going to rise here and possibly cover up to 0.556, cash out and wait for it to decline again. Then you dive in again. All right. If you see an opportunity of profit, take it and do not be greedy. Okay. All right. If you go back here, looking at the second coin, which is the next to this one, its 24 hours was over 50. The name of this coin is CSPR. This is its current price in the market, and this is its positive. That's how well it has been doing for the past 24 hours. Let's look at this. Let's look at this coin now. From where it took its move. It took its moves from here, which is 0.01, and got it high at 0.2, at 0.02. That's double its price, which if you had traded this with 50, you will end up with 100 USD. You can see. So each time you let it go down, each time it's down, it's taking a correction now. From here again, it will take up. All right, because it's a coin that is ready to move. From looking at it, 24 hours turnover up to over 6 million, and also its highs and down, its low and up, its lows and high over 24 hours is still rational, and it just started when? Today. So it has a very high chance or a very high opportunity for it to move very high. So by doing this, you can turn your little USDT into a huge amount. All right, you can turn your little USDT into a huge amount. So which one is next? Let's look at this again. This one is having 43 already. They are almost the same thing. Having 43 already. Tomorrow is Monday. There's going to be a fresh market move. But based on these ups and downs, you can dive in here and cash out something little before it goes up, before it goes down. All right. So looking at it, but if I were you, I will quickly go for the ones that are yet to pump. You can see them. They're taking up now. I will go for these ones that are yet to take a very high move. This has dropped to what? To 0.1, to 0.01 here, and it's taking another beautiful move. But this is a very risky time for you to join. If you see something of this nature, don't dive in, because you end up losing a lot of your fund. Okay, you end up losing a lot from your fund. There's what we call an SQR is here. SQR is here, and all you just need to do is to look if the market is going to be profitable. All right, but this is going to be a profitable market. Do you know why? Because it has already taken its corrections, and any moment from now it will be going higher and higher. All right, so I would love to trade this SQR because its 24 hours turnover is still low, and it's going to triple this in the nearest time. So what should I do? All I just need to do is to trade this for some few time and see what exactly I'm going to earn from it. Because looking from here, it's going to take a beautiful move in the nearest time. All right, so that is it for here. And another strategy again you can take from here is by quickly navigating yourself to the loser. All right, if you navigate yourself to the loser and open it, if you open this loser, this is a strategy you will use. You're going to look at which ones are with higher negativities. the one that has been losing in the past 24 hours, okay, and they are still seriously losing. So among them are Grips, Solo, SQT, which is one of my favorite coin, and is battling to take off. All right, SQT is one of my favorite coin and is currently battling to take off. So looking at this, Grape is also crazy going down. So you look at those markets carefully and trade the best of your choice. All right. So the best place you can be and scalp is at the gainers, because those gainers are having a very strong momentum yet, and they are seriously gearing up. You can see this one is adding another positivity. It's adding a lot of positivities. So you watch carefully and see its ups and downs. How has it been doing? From the previous movement, from each 24 hours movement, you can know when to buy and what to buy. But this one is not an investment fully advised. Take a look at it and also make your proper analysis so that you can dive in and also make a lot of profit from this. All right, so I will be stopping here for today. If you do have any question, do not forget to drop it at the comment sections and I'll attend to you ASAP. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.